Time is money. And at Rexello, we understand that better than anyone. That's why we deliver customized trolleys from inquiry to installation in 4 weeks. It all begins with your inquiry. Whether you need a platform trolley, mesh trolley, cylinder carrier, or a completely customized design, our team works with you to understand the exact requirements. Our engineers use precision design tools to build the right solution, optimized for load capacity, space, and durability. With in-house manufacturing and rigorous quality checks, Rexello ensures every trolley is built to last. Each component, from castors to frames, undergoes strict testing. Before dispatch, every product is tested for strength, balance, and durability, so what reaches you is 100% ready for industrial use. Within 4 weeks, your trolleys are delivered, installed, and ready to roll, backed by Rexello's 60+ years of expertise. Need trolleys designed around your business? Choose speed, strength, and trust. Choose Rexello.